Examples for metric conversions. Let us see the problems. 14 kilometer is equal to dash meter. So you have to convert the number in kilometer into quantity in meter. So the second problem is 160 centimeter is equal to dash millimeter. So here the unit is centimeter. You have to find the value which should be expressed in millimeter. So similarly 250 meter is equal to dash kilometer. For that, let us write first the ladder method in order. King Henry died, basic unit. Mother didn't cry much. So KHDAMDCM are written. Here the problem is about meter length. So KHDA and all should be associated with M only. So KM, HM, DAM, M, DM, CM, MM. Okay. Now let us see how to use this to find the answer. See, 14 kilometer. The first problem is 14 kilometer. Write 14 in the box km. You have to write both the digits 1 and 4 in km because no more boxes to the left side. So 1 and 4 should be written here. Okay. Then what do you need? You have to express in meters. Where is meter? Here. So stop here. Okay, so you have to move till you get meter. From kilometer, start moving 1, 2, 3. So, 2, 3 steps you have to move from left to right. Here we are converting larger unit to smaller unit. So, we have to multiply each step by 10. See, we have to move 3 steps. So, 14 into 10 into 10 into 10. So, 14 into 1000, which is 14,000 meter. Is it clear? One more simple way is write 14 just below km. Then you have to stop with m. Fill all other boxes with zeros. 0 in HM box, 0 in DAM, 0 in M. Now, write the number. What did you get? 14,000. So, 14,000 meter. Okay. Is it clear? I hope it is easy. 160 centimeter. So, under millimeter. Centimeter and millimeter. Only these two should be chosen. So 160 centimeter. Write 160 centimeter in cm box. Okay, or else last digit 0 here, 6 here, 1 here. Okay, because we have few more boxes in this ladder, or else you just write centimeter and millimeter boxes only. 100 centimeter. Write 160 below cm. Only one more box is there, which means we have to move one step to the right. So we have to multiply by 10. We are moving one step, so 1 time 10. So 160 into 10 is 1600. Again, the easy way is 160 is under cm. You have to get the same value in millimeter. So only add one more 0 and you will get 1600. Here 160 is there, here one more 0. So 1600. Okay, this could be easier. 250 meter is equal to dash kilometer. So you have to consider the boxes from meter to kilometer. Meter is a smaller unit when comparing with kilometer. So we are converting from smaller unit to larger unit. What we have to do? We have to divide each step by 10, or we have to move decimal point to move. We have to move one decimal point for each step. Okay, towards left side. Let us see. Write 250 meter. Write 250 in meter box, just below meter. Okay. Um, we have to move 3 steps. So start behind 0, 1 decimal point. Second decimal point is between 2 and 5. Third decimal point is in front of 2. So put point in front of 2. So you will get a 0.250, obviously 0.250 kilometer. Okay, is it clear now? And this is the problem page in liters. See, we have 6 problems. So ladder boxes are here. Let us see how to find this. 1 liter is equal to dash ml. So consider only these boxes, liter to ml. Write 1 just below L. 3 more steps you have to move on. So 1 into 10 into 10 into 10 or 1 into 1000 is equal to 1000 ml. Okay. Similarly, for 7 liter, 7000 ml. 4 liter, put 4 here. You have to write in ml. So fill all other boxes with zeros. Why? We are multiplying each step by 10, no? So it is enough to put zeros only. See, 4 liter is 4000 ml. That's all. Now 500 ml to liter. Ml to liter. This is the conversion from smaller unit to larger unit. No need to think about these three units. Okay. Now write 500 here. Then what should you do? You have to divide each step by 10, or you have to move the decimal point. Okay. While moving decimal point, what do you get? See, start from this place. From this place, move decimal point to 1 digit. You will get the point between 0 and 0. For next step, move 1 more place to the left. Now the point is between 5 and 0, but we have to move 3 times. So move again. What will you get? Decimal point comes in front of 5. So 0.500 ml or 0.5 ml. Similarly for 200 ml, in liter, ml to liter, 3 steps we have to move. So we have to move decimal points to 3 places to the left. So start here, 1 place, 2 place, 3 places are skipped. We have moved 3 places. Decimal point should be placed in front of 2. So 0.200 liter or 0.2 liter. Similarly, 150 ml is equal to dash liter. Write 150 here. We have to move 3 steps. So you have to move decimal points 3 places to the left. So start here. Move 1 time, 2 times, 3 times. After moving the decimal point to the 3 places, we get 0.150 liter. See here, 1 liter is 1000 ml, 500 ml is 0.5 liter, 200 ml is 0.2 liter, 7 liter is 7000 milliliter, 4 liter 4000 milliliter, 150 ml is 0.15 liter. Now let us see some problems on grams. So the ladder is given 1000 milligram to gram. So smaller unit to larger unit. So what we have to do, we have to move decimal points from right to left. How many times? 3 times we have to move. So start from the last place after 0. 1, 2, 3. The it gets, now the decimal point gets the place between 1 and 0. So 1.000 gram or 1 gram. 1000 milligram is 1 gram. Okay. No need to memorize and all. If you are not able to recollect from your memory, you just put the boxes, fill the number, move to the left or move to the right accordingly. Okay, then you will get the right answer. 109 gram is equal to dash kilogram. The problem is conversion from gram to kilogram. Again, smaller unit to larger unit. We have to divide each step by 10. What each step by 10 means, how will you divide? You have to divide 109 by 1000 because you have to move 3 steps, no? So 10 into 10 into 10. So you have to divide 109 by 1000. Instead of dividing by 1000, we move the decimal point 3 times to the left. Start from the point after 9. So move one place, 2 places, 3 places. So you get 0.109 kilogram. Next, 5 kg to 0 dash gram. Kg to gram. So multiply each step by 10. 3 steps are there. So multiply by 1000. 5 into 1000. 5000 gram. 3 kg is equal to dash milligram. Kg to milligram. Write 3 here. How many steps? 6 steps. So 3 into 10 into 10 into 10 into 10 into 10 into 10. Okay. 3 along with 6 zeros. So 30 lakhs milligram. Okay. So this is the answer page. Okay.